So, you're new to sewing and you don't know where to begin. Well, let's start with sewing a basic seam, okay? Your first challenge is to sew straight lines. That's it. That's it. So, let me show you what that means. Step 1, prep fabric. Your best bet is to use muslin fabric. Super cheap, woven, not too fussy, very simple to use, okay? Step 2, put your fabric underneath the needle. You're going to have the edges of the fabric on the very edge of the right side of the presser foot and go down, okay? Step 3, hold the thread in the back and then step on the presser, the sewing foot to sew, and sew a few stitches. At this point, you're going to backstitch. Backstitch locks your stitch line. Now, if you're new, you're automatically going to want to watch the needle. Do not watch the needle. Watch the right side of the presser foot and the fabric. So we're going to sew a straight line. Watch the fabric, not the needle. Keep the fabric on the right side of the presser foot, okay? Let the machine force the fabric through. Your job is just to hold it delicately, okay? When you come to the end, you backstitch again. Pull it off. Leave some thread strings. There you have it. A beautiful straight line. This is what we call a simple seam. Very simple. Just a straight stitch. Simple. Now, you're going to continue to practice this stitch, okay? So we're going to go back under the needle on the machine and continue practicing straight stitches. So, how? Let me show you. What you're going to do is you're going to line up the stitch you previously did to the right side. Okay, so in order to start your straight line project and practice, you're going to want to put your previous stitch right to the right of the presser foot itself. You are not going to focus on the needle. You're only focusing on keeping this stitch you did before directly to the right of the presser foot. So I'm going to try in this point of view to show you. Okay, and then we're going to backstitch. And then I'm going to sew with one hand while holding my phone to show you. Keep that stitch to the right side, just right there. Backstitch. And you can see we've got a beautiful straight line. So if yours is not beautiful and yours is not straight, then keep practicing. It's only going to make you better. So again, put that previous seam to the right of the presser foot, drop her down, start pushing, backstitch. Do it again. You just keep practicing the straight lines. Once you get this, your seaming will be so clean. I promise you, it is a amazing, important, boring, mundane, like 101 must perfect if you want to sew well. All right, come back for more. Bye.